So I got this 360 controller. It was included in a console that I bought, but it was a bit grimy and dirty and scratched up. I thought I'd do a video on it. If you've got any ideas of what to do with the scratches, maybe customise it in some way, in the comments just let me know what you think. So any cool designs you think I could do, or wrap it in some way, or just let me know what you think. So I'm going to take this to semi to bits. I'm not going to take it all the way to bits, and clean all the grime off it and all that. These are T9 security bits. These are. So yeah, if you can think of any cool ways to customise this controller, that would be good to know. I'll welcome any suggestions. Obviously it'll be for sale after I've done it. So, or you could win it maybe. Maybe I could do a raffle on it or something. Any ideas, feel free to let me know, and I'll show. Not magnetic. I'm not sure if anyone's been in here before. Some screwdriver. So we will open this up. Let's get a pry tool thing. So my plan was to just clean it up inside and clean these up. I'll spray some compressed air in there as well to clean that up. Just so it's clean, really. Test this, and it did test back. It all tested back okay, so no stick drift or anything. So we'll clean it all up. This is just washing up liquid and water. Nothing crazy. You can see under there. The buttons are fairly worn. It's fairly worn, but maybe I could get some new ones or 3D print some. Again, just water on the brush. not to make this a massive long video. If you've got any suggestions on customizations, any suggestions on what I could do with it, the doors are pretty much open. I'm open to anything. I'll make a video on doing whatever people suggest. Maybe I'll do a few suggestions. Maybe I'll do a few suggestions. It's fairly dirty, that one, If there's any other controllers you'd like to see, let me know. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. So I'm open open to suggestions. Again, what would you like to happen to it? Would you like me to raffle it off in some way? Would you like me to do it as like a gift to somebody? The more crazy the ideas, the better, if I'm honest. Make it a bit more interesting. Makes it a lot more interesting because people do the same things over and over again. Any particular designs you want on it? I do have a 3D printer, so I could potentially 3D print a faceplate and stuff. Possibilities are endless, really, to be fair. I know someone suggested carbon wrapping it before on a different one. But I've already done that, so that doesn't seem something to do again. But I will, if somebody wants it. If there's enough comments about it, I will do it. Put these back on. press that back together. We'll put the screws back in. Again, I was trying not to make this a long video. It was just a video of me cleaning this, asking you guys for input. Don't forget to follow and comment and all that stuff. The more comments we get, the more people see it, and the better things we'll get. Better suggestions. Our website will be live soon. I'll do a video on that when it's all done. So that should be interesting. We'll be doing a giveaway of some kind, I'm sure. Maybe even this controller. If any companies out there want to collaborate with me, feel free to reach out to me. Maybe show their products that can do this. And that's it. It's all clean, and so we've got some stuff there that needs filling or wrapping or something. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll see you on the next one.